futures we see today, destined so quickly to become another part of the past, perhaps the moment you finish hearing these words, that feeling of the future that has just appeared in your mind will already, in the very next second, quietly become the past. Just like the work you see before you now. Today, it stands in front of you like an imagination of the future. But 10 years from now, 20 years from now, when you see it again, it will no longer be simply the future, but a trace left behind by time. And yet, in the very first moment you encountered it, it once was the future itself. So then, in your own life, have there also been futures that once felt so distant, but by today have already become your reality? Perhaps we had always been living inside the future we once imagined. So then, until we meet again in the next future. Hello everyone, I am Mark III. As a creator, the concept is this. Every era imagines the future, but once that future is realized, it becomes history. The work embodies this temporal dislocation. As a creator, the hope is that the audience sees not just the present, but understands that today's imagination becomes tomorrow's memory. In truth, we've always been living in the futures we once imagined. Therefore, this piece is intentionally designed with fragmentation, asymmetry, and a feeling of restarting the past. These elements show why the piece carries this broken, yet intentional aesthetic. I look forward to meeting in person someday, and until then, let us meet again in the future. Our future past.